Hello, I'm Spenta and I'm a big Hello Kitty fan. Today I had a chance to go to Walmart and I looked for a plush chair and look what I found. A really nice Hello Kitty plush chair. I'm going to take a look at it. It was for $40, $39.99, so it was a good price. I'm going to see what it looks like. Can't wait to see what this plush chair is going to look like. I thank you guys for watching my shopping share and I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Comment. Definitely share. And here is instructions for my beautiful chair. Let me take it out of the box so we can see what it looks like. Here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. Again, I'm Spenta. I thank you so much for watching my share. I hope that you guys check this chair out and check out some Hello Kitty products. I'm a big fan of Hello Kitty. As you see, Hello Kitty's behind me and all over me. So here it is. Let's see. Can't wait to actually use my chair. Thanks again for watching my share. Ooh. Lots of packaging. Definitely make sure the product stayed clean, neat, and delivered well to the consumer. I'm going to have to go over there. Wow. They definitely did not want me to get into this thing, which is good. Nice packaging. I can't wait to open it. Oh, let's see what you're gonna look like. Spenta can't wait. And here, you guys, it is here. My plush chair. And it has instructions right here. It tells you to expand it. Here it is. It's turning into a whole Hello Kitty with me. It's going to be fun gaming on this chair.